5.
We'll be in a minute.
Double cheeseburger.
One more to go. And I'll probably want to
Fucking more afterwards as
Still
well.
nuts at the moment. I feel like Harold and Kumar.
I always get a fucking notification
When you do this shit, so it's like,
You know what I mean?
I'm gonna have some fun with this. Let's see if I can fuck some shit up.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You see, bro, you see.
So we're currently wankered, eating McDonald's. Why the fuck not? Say something, Dave.
Cheeseburgers. Double cheeseburgers, in fact.
So fucked.
Would you rather have
10 double cheeseburgers or 2 XXL Papa John's?
What?
Would you rather have 10 double cheeseburgers?
Fuck me, yeah?
10 double cheeseburgers or 2 XXL Papa John's?
Probably Papa John's. Why not?
See, I'll try and cut a deal.
Okay, give me 1 pizza and 5 of the burgers. Because then I could probably live with that.
I'm picking one or the other. I always wish I picked the other, right?
I feel like we're in a.
Oh, you want the quarter pounders, man?
I feel like we're in a Tarantino movie.
Step aside, butch.
You don't like double cheeseburgers, man?
Nope, I don't mind them. See the salt. As you do.
I legitimately couldn't tell you the last time I had 4 fucking double cheeseburgers.
So
It's
we're,
gotta be at least-
we're currently in Greenwich pissed right now. Sobering up on McDonald's, as you do. Because the cornerstone of any nutritious breakfast. Except we're not at breakfast.
You don't like bacon?
I'm eating a quarter pounder. Just had chicken nuggets, McFlurry.
Fuck, I didn't even know you got those, man. You got fucking those?
I had nuggets earlier, yeah.
Oh, fuck, I didn't even notice.
What did you do?
I was considering getting a milkshake.
That barbecue sauce though.
Mate.
You know, fucking Burger King and that, they charge for their barbecue sauce.
Isn't it?
Fucking 20p or something.
Bit of food porn for you.
Yeah, like Burger King. I went up and asked for barbecue sauce once, it was like 20p. I was like, okay. And it's no different to the shit they give you here, just with a different label on it or whatever.
Hi Rach. Got my burger. Like peng, innit? So we're currently wankered. No, not me. Beautiful.
Do you know what they call a Big Mac in France?
Royale with cheese, innit?
Royale with cheese.
Sergio, it's a dream. I've had a cheeseburger, 6 chicken nuggets, a Maltese McFlurry, and now I'm on a quarter pounder,
I'm a bad influence.
and it's beautiful.
I'm a bad influence.
I'll tell you what, no fucks are given right now. No, I ain't over. Still young, innit?
It's called
Came down
rewarding your balls for those 2 years at rafting.
I'm gonna go on to another pub, get wankered. I'm gonna go to McDonald's, order an 18-inch pizza.
Yeah. If you're good 360 days out of the 365,
You're going to get a lot further than the cunts who are good out of 5 of those 300. So,
Where we going next?
well, I think we've pretty much done everything around here.
could always go back, Steve, and hope we don't get fucking stabbed.
I'm telling you, Rach, you wanna get on this.
You got McFlurry as well, didn't you, earlier?
Oh shit.
You're only getting burgers and I'm missing out on all this.
This is an absolute dream. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. I might even get another McFlurry next. Who knows?
Get this shit on video, right?
Because you know what really pisses me off is when people eat in places like this and they don't put their shit in the bin, which is right there. And even if it ain't right there, you cunts can watch me. I will walk across the whole fucking establishment just to put my shit in the bin. And I know half of you fuckers won't believe that, but I legitimately do.
Eating levels? What you on? Coffee, orange? Coffee?
The coffee ones are fucking good, actually.
Oh, I can't stand them.
Mate, if you ever get any of them, chuck them by the way. I mean, in before Maltesers.
This burger, it's an absolute dream. I'm not even sorry, to be honest.
Is it too late to say so?
Is it orange? I'll stick to my burger, cheers. My McFlurry, another one. Why not, eh?
Why the fuck not? I mean, like, people go, oh my god, how can you eat all that and still lose weight? Because we're not doing it every fucking day. You know, people think, oh, you can't do that shit. It's like, yeah, you fucking can. You just gotta limit that shit.
We're being watched, but it don't matter. We're fucked, we don't give a fuck.
Who's watching?
Huh? That's right, mate. Treat yourself.
You see, some mad cunt just left their phone on the table next to us, and we're good cunts because we didn't even try and nick that shit. Let alone the fact we didn't even notice that shit, but we didn't try and nick that.
We've got an 18-inch pizza. Oh, I've got an 18-inch pizza next to demolish.
I'm a bad influence.
Apparently.
Well, how strict can you be if you're never actually letting your shit up?
This, mate, it's some 50 grade shit right now, I tell ya. Beautiful, mate. It's like an absolute dream. I've got a room, actually. Double bed. Free view. Couple of salts.
Not even fucking Sky Sports package, just Freeview. You could do better than Freeview, man. Come on, what's going on? Freeview. You spend all day watching fucking Dave Plus.
Bit of Virgin Media. It's my last bite. Look at that. Oh shit, look at that. I don't know what to tell you, really.
Good old McDonald's, man. Can't go fucking wrong. 4 double cheeseburgers. I think that's enough, don't you? I could comfortably eat 2 more, but
All gone, mate. Like a dodo. Vodka and Coke. Bit di Serrano. As you do. You know what I mean?
Units of fucking vodka.
Yeah, but I'm a vodka, innit? Well, that's the way the cookie bounces.
What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
We off to have another drink?
Right. I'm gonna go have a slash. You know, as you do.
Behind you.
And then I'm gonna go. We're gonna go for a drink. I know, TMI, but you know,
For the vibes.
I've had a couple of drinks and that, so, you know, I'm feeling a bit Brahma. So yeah.
You can't say a Twix for Harambe, yeah?
Well, you know, sharing's caring and all that. What can you do? Right? All these appreciated it. Dave appreciates it. That Malteser McFly was a dream. I ain't going anywhere yet, calm down. Right, we're gonna go now.
We ain't going anywhere.
You're right, mate. When you gotta go, you gotta go. You know what I mean? Johnny Cash in a bush, eating cake.
Let's get out some positive political messages before we leave.
Hello, Luke. What's up? Slash Johnny Cash.
Don't vote.
Being stared at right now. Never mind. Couple of salts. Salts out of Harambe.
Send out some positive political messages. Don't vote for that cunt Trump. And hey, if something ain't going your way, it's just down to May's Britain, isn't it?
Isn't it? May's Britain.
May's Britain, bro. You can't do nothing about that shit.
We're absolutely fucked.
Yeah,
That's alright.
you can go
You know what I
and
mean?
do the old Chavy Jaeger bombs or whatever.
Sort me hair out, it's a bit of a mess.
If you've got fucking hair.
Dave's got a receding hairline.
My shit comes up weird on this fucking thing, look.
That's because he's been straightening his hair. I ain't going anywhere yet, calm your tits. Fucking hell.
mum. It's just going fucking wayward, man.
I feel like Joey Essex right now. Salty potato. Fucking hell, she's salty, she is.
Does he actually say that?
Yeah. Go and pull some chicks, fucking hell.
Fucking hell.
More chance of pulling my fucking calf muscle, love. Alright, we're going now. We'll be back like a bit later. Anyway,
We should go and find one of them places where they throw foam about and shit.
phone party. We're gonna go and find a phone party. See you later. Hold on. Got a bit of ketchup here.
Oh, shit. See you later.
Ciao for now. Bye.